ready to ditch the repetitive tasks and unlock a world of automation possibilities. Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head battle: Activepieces vs Make. First up, features Activepieces boasts a robust library of pre-built components, a user-friendly interface that's gaining traction, and the ability to self-host for ultimate control over your data. Make, on the other hand, is known for its visually intuitive drag-and-drop interface, extensive app integrations, and powerful data transformation capabilities. Ease of use is a major factor. Activepieces aims for simplicity, making it relatively easy for beginners to grasp the basics and build simple automations. However, it is relatively new, meaning the community support is growing. Make's visual builder is incredibly intuitive, but the complexity can increase as workflows become more intricate, and therefore it may require a steeper learning curve. Now, let's talk integrations. Make has a massive library of integrations with thousands of apps and services, covering nearly every use case you can imagine. Activepieces is constantly expanding its integration offerings, with a focus on popular business tools and a growing community contributing new pieces. Price is always a consideration. Activepieces offers competitive pricing, with a generous free plan and affordable paid options, particularly attractive if you self-host. Make's pricing structure can be more complex, scaling based on the number of operations and connections you use each month. So, which platform reigns supreme? Activepieces is a strong contender for those prioritizing cost-effectiveness, self-hosting options, and a growing ecosystem. Make is a powerhouse for users who need extensive integrations, visual workflow building, and powerful data manipulation. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs, technical expertise, and budget. Do your research, try out the free tiers, and find the automation platform that empowers you to take control of your workflow.